People say all the time, it sounds like turnkeys are too good to be true. Are they? Well, guess what? They're not. And why are they not too good to be true? Because they're not perfect. If turnkey properties always showed up in the exact condition with the exact everything, numbers, quality, everything as advertised, and it was a perfect equation, they might be too good to be true. But they're not too good to be true because things happen. You are still buying a rental property. Things can still go wrong with the rental property. You still need to be doing due diligence on your rental property. And they take a little bit of work, not anything like the level of work that you have to do to flip a house or wholesale or any of that kind of stuff, but your head still needs to be in the game. And like I said, things can still go wrong. So therefore, they're not perfect. They are, I would call them very advantageous. I think they're fantastic for a lot of people. I wouldn't be in real estate probably without them. But again, they're not perfect. So therefore, they can't be too good to be true.